Today I wanted to share one of the interesting story of my life where it is around 12 years back when I was not working. I used to study, and after study I need to find the jobs. So wherever I used to search for the jobs, and I need to go some interviews at some places, I used to get lost in the city because at that time there were no mobile phones, no like maps available on the phone. That's what the major I used to have just address of that particular organization or company. And in the city, I was not very much familiar with the new city where I was searching a job. And this was like this has made me like sometimes whenever used to find the address, I will come again to the same place. Like some people will say, just go 500 meters, then take left and then right, then there is your destination. But when I used to go there, I could not find. I need to ask again that local people. So that used to happen. So sometimes after roaming for some time, I'll just come to the same location. That's how it used to happen. And this was interesting, and interesting in terms of knowing the peoples, how they reacting, how they are reacting to how they are responding to the strange persons. So I used to be stranger in the city, and I used to ask the address. Some people were very enthusiastic and they will give whatever possible way, means all the details about that particular address, like giving every turn, means like left, right, and all those turns. However, there were some people who will just look at me as a stranger and then just will pass as is without saying a single word. And some people were just saying, I don't know, and we'll move on. So these are the things which we should able to understand, that in the life as well, we just need to keep trying. So after keeping trying and after searching for after asking many people, I used to find that particular address. That is very important, because though I was not able to find the address at the first place, however, after asking repeated times to many people, I was finally able to get that particular address or the particular destination. That's what life is about, right? Whatever things which we try, whatever things which we wanted to give, or whatever things which we wanted to achieve in life, there are possibly rejections, failures coming in. However, we should not give up. We should keep trying. We are not sure how many times we will get failures, but keep trying. Like when we are falling down, or when we are getting failure, getting up is important. That's what is important. And whenever we are failing, we should remember that this is just another failure, but with this failure I have got some experience. What is that experience? Try to learn from that experience. Whatever mistakes we have made, that we should not repeat. That's what we should tell ourselves, and we should keep moving. Sometimes we don't see the end results, or we don't see where are we going, but keep moving, keep walking is important. That's what this life story has helped me. And in life as well, means whenever I feel that I am getting some failure, I am getting stressed, I am feeling down, I remember this one of my story of address finding. So this is very important to understand, that whenever we get any failures, don't just fail. Try to get up. That's very important. Don't just give up. The success will come there. I hope you like this story. If you have any questions, comments, and suggestions for next third day challenge, then do let me know in comment section. And if you like my video, then please like it and subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you for watching.